Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature of Telegram: how to view all shared PDFs in your chats. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing important documents, or just organizing your files, knowing how to access those PDFs can make your life a lot easier. So, let's get started. First things first, open Telegram on your Android device. If you haven't already done so, make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chats all lined up, ready for action. Now, step 2. Select the chat where you want to view the shared PDFs. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Simply tap on the chat to open it up. Next up, step 3. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the contact's name or the group name. Go ahead and tap on that. This action will take you to a detailed view of the chat, including participant information and media shared. Finally, step 4. Under the Media section, you will see all the shared PDFs listed. This area organizes all the documents, making it easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's a work presentation, an ebook, or important files, everything should be neatly arranged for your convenience. And that's it. You now know how to view all shared PDFs on Telegram. This feature is super helpful for keeping track of important documents within your chats. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on utilizing Telegram to its fullest.